Hi, today we are going to learn how to draw the quadratic function. So in order to do that, you're going to find the vertex first. So let's find the vertex on this. Vertex x value, which is x of symmetry, is negative b over 2a. So if you find negative b over 2a, so a is nothing, means that's 1 there. So a is 1. So b is negative 4. So negative was there, and b is negative 4, and then 2, and then a is 1. So this is a negative 4, negative become positive, so 4 over 2, which is a 2. So vertex x value is 2, okay, and vertex all the time, you write in the middle, and then vertex x value is 2, so let's find y value when x equals 2. So x equal 2. So x value you find by plugging y value, by plugging x to the original equation, you find y value. Y, when you plug in all the time, put the parenthesis there, and then instead of x, I change the parenthesis there. I'm going to put 2 there. 2 there. So 2 squared is 4, and 4 times 2, that's minus 8, minus 5. So that's what? So minus. Okay, this is a minus 9. So minus 9 right there. And then after that, to draw, we might have a 5 point. So when you do that, all the time, vertex x value right there, right? And 1 bigger, 2 bigger, you're going to write it. And here, 1 smaller, 2 smaller, you're going to write it there. And then you find the y value for each x value. But one thing, so this is x value, this is y value. So let's plug in 3 there. So instead of x, I'm going to put it 3 there now. So 3 squared minus 4 times 3 and minus 5. So instead of x, I put it 3 with the parenthesis. 9 minus 12 minus 5. So this is what? Minus 3. So minus 8. Okay, minus 8 right there. And then let's plug in 4. So let's plug in 4 for x value. So let's plug in 4. So y equals 4 squared minus 4 times 2 minus 5. So this is 16, and minus 6. Should be 4. It's 4. This is 16 minus 5. So this is minus 5. One thing, because from the vertex, this is an x of symmetry, and then left right should be same. So this value will be same as this, which is this is minus 8. This will be same as this, minus 5. So with that, let's draw the graph. So let's say 1, 2 here, and let's say this is minus 9 right there. So 2 comma minus 9, and then 3 comma, so 1 bigger, 3 comma negative 8 right there. And then 1 comma negative 8, you can put it right there. And then 0 comma 5, negative 5 right there. And then 4 comma negative 5 also right here. So if you draw the graph, something like that, you can draw it. So we call it x of symmetry right here, and left right should be symmetry. Okay, let's do one more. So let's do one more right here. So this one, same. Let's find the x of symmetry, which is x value of vertex. So x equals negative b over 2a, right? So a is negative 3, b is negative 6. So with a negative outside, b negative 6. 2, a is negative 3. So we have negative become positive and minus 6. That means negative 1. X value negative 1. So vertex x value negative 1. Then now what? We draw the table. X here, y here, and then middle, negative 1 here. So let's plug negative 1 for the x value and find y value. So y equals negative 3 with a parenthesis. All the time change it to x variable parenthesis. And there, put negative 1 there, negative 1 there, right? All the time, exponents first, parenthesis exponent first. So negative 1 squared, that's positive 1 times negative 3, so negative 3. Negative become positive, and negative 1 there. So that's 3 minus 1, that's a 2. So negative 1 comma 2 is a vertex right there. And then 1 bigger, 0, 2 bigger, 1. and one smaller, -2, two smallest, -3. So let's plug in 0 for x value. Let's put the 0 value for x. That's easy because that's everything is 0 minus 1. Oh, that's we call it y-intercept 2. Yeah, that's a good point. But now let's plug in 1 there. So y -3. Change the parentheses first, and then I put 1 there. Put 1 there, right? And now 1 squared. Don't multiply first. You need to exponent first. This is the 1. 1 squared is 1 times -3, and minus 1 times 6. That's -6, -1. So that means what? -9. That's -10. That's -10. That means you don't need to do the others. This is should be same as, so -1, the same as -10. So if we draw this, -1, comma 2, you can say this is -1, comma 2, and 0, comma -1 right there, and then -2, comma -1 right here, and then -1, comma -10, and then -3, comma -10 right here. So if we draw the graph, something like that, very narrow graphing one. So that's the way you draw the quadratic function with 5 points.